Hello, it's Vadim from Motosill Garage and we have a warm summer of 2021. If you are preparing your motorbike for long traveling, it's time to talk about luggage system. I have a luggage system on my motorbike Honda XR-V 750 as do-it-yourself. So I would like to show you details of pannier bags and racks, so let's see. First of all, I manufactured luggage racks, made those from stainless tubes. Previously my motorcycle had a standard central luggage rack, but it cracked. As you know, this is weak place of second generation Africa twins, so I manufactured a new one from stainless tubes. It has some locks for fastening of belts. In front of, in each side, so it's comfortable to use. Both of side racks are mounted to the central one by using of bolts. In the lowest place, those are connected by using this tube bridge. Inside the racks there is a space for muffler and special tubus. Inside this tubus I have an additional space for something. Tubus has a common mailbox lock. And finally, a few words about made by myself aluminium boxes. Both boxes are symmetric and have sizes 45, 40 and 22 centimeters. Let's open one box. It has a common mailbox lock as well. The simplest locking system. On the inner side of the lid there is a 4 mounts for belts. On the outer side of the lid there is 4 usual kitchen furniture handles, so extra luggage could be mounted here as well. And the box is mounted to the rack by using of 4 bolts. Inside I have bags made of clothes for storing stuff. In front, inside and in the back wall I have reflectors and the walls connected between each other by using of gasket sealant and pop rivets. So it should be waterproof in the bottom side, but in the top side there is no any sealant component. If I'm traveling with my wife, she easily can sit behind me. There is enough space, believe me. It was Vadim from Motosill Garage, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you later.